Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga Habafani from the 6th to the 10th of October 2025 on Monday. Guys, fears the baby might change everything. Zandile begs for a second chance in Ntombi and Macele sees the cracks behind her picture's perfect life on Tuesday. Thembi's presser for Izithelo Juice brings her rewards. Sabelo deals with jealousy and no dode. Macele is left out of the pregnancy and Zandile's job at Vibes causes Ntombi some concern on Wednesday. Thembi isn't ready for the demands of her new campaign while Sabelo struggles to get his song on air to play. Macele has epiphany involving Kayise and Gumede tries to warn Zandile against working at Vibes on Thursday. Thembi's fame takes a hit when beachside encounter with fans goes rival for all wrong reasons. Kayise makes a bold decision about her future and her baby. Tension erupts at Ntombi's house as Zandile lashes out over her mother's interference on Friday. Thembi turns to a familiar face for help. Kayise is backed into a corner by Macele's idea and Sabelo's celebration doesn't go as planned. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.